Hello there, today is again rapid profit machine, and today is exceptional because you are going to witness what will happen if you were a member of rapid profit machine, a free member. You will have the opportunity to log in into the member area, and you look, even if you didn't get any money yet, you are a RPM superstar because everyone is. If you can reach this stage, then you are almost done. So many people don't even see this because they are too stupid to reach this point. Why? Because, if you go to the hub, you will see your funnel, okay? Hub, funnels. And those are some capture pages that you should promote. Those are the entry of your machine. And so people who are promoting RPM the normal way, they use those pages, one of those, and people enter their name and they start the process. They see the videos from James Neville Taylor, the owner of this machine, but they don't reach the member area because they stop, they don't know, they are not interested, they are disturbed, and they cannot go. So if you can reach this with the link in the description of this video, you click on it and you try to reach this. This is a challenge for you, a computing challenge. Can you reach it? Are you clever enough, or you are just too stupid to reach it? So even if you don't want to use RPM, rapid profit machine, then just for a game, try to subscribe. It's free, huh? So don't talk to me about the money. For free, just a game now. After watching this video, just try to reach this page, okay? And then after you do what you want with it, doesn't matter. It's free, but look at that. So you have RPM, you have your leads. So the leads are all the people who have just entered their name into one of those capture pages. And your members, they are the clever ones, the ones who have been able to register, not even log in, but register to be a member, to have access to the member area. And there are very few. I would say for me it's about 10 to 20%. Or maybe less, but I would say about 10 to 20% of my leads who become members. I would say no, it's not even 10. I think it's between 5 and 10%. So you see, you get a lot of leads. But what is good with rapid profit machine is that you don't lose those leads. It's not because they're stupid that they cannot be useful in a way, or maybe they can get some brain matter later on and become a member, because all your leads, you have them, their email address, so you can contact them either for other products that you want to promote, or you can send them emails about RPM. They always can join and become a member, so they are not lost. But anyway, this video will be quite short. I will just show you what are inside this. So here you have that. You can pause the video, see special offer, what are they. Traffic, so traffic is not a drop down. So contest and prizes, because you have some contest in rapid profit machine. The TikTok challenge, for instance, what is it? Optional extra, secret traffic sources, RPM Pro. So this is a paid version of RPM, and Pro gives you some benefits. For sure, you will be tempted to buy it if you are interested. Me, I'm not RPM Pro. I am MAB. So MAB is the top of the memberships of RPM you can think of, because MAB is so you are a RPM Pro, but you also have many more things in affiliate marketing. So MAB is something else than RPM, but it is linked to RPM. So if you are interested, go and read it and listen to James Neville Taylor talking to you about MAB. This is not a video about MAB, of course. I told you RPM is free, so just use it for free. And in help, you have the Facebook group of RPM, some update and things like this. And my account, meet your sponsor. So if you join under me, I will be your sponsor. How lucky will you be? Because it's not many people who are my leads and my members. So imagine yourself in maybe 10 to 1 hour from now, you will have me as your sponsor. I think you can open a bottle of champagne just for that, before even starting to use RPM or get to know about it. And so I advise you to take RPM and Builderall. Builderall, that's the one I use to make my funnels. I know it for 5 years now. I'm a user of Builderall. It is very good. It's a good software. So Builderall, you don't have to have Builderall to do RPM. But if you start to invest in online make money things, get a tool, and you have a choice of tools. But Builderall is good, and RPM is very much integrated with Builderall, so you don't need anything else. If you want. Anyway, this is not the... I will talk about Builderall and RPM in a later video. And I will leave you with my most beautiful smile. Bye-bye.